How to create quiz in Instagram stories. At first, open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon to create a new story. Select the photo or video you want to share. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top. Multiple options will appear. Tap on poll. Write the quiz here and add the options. When you are done, tap on done at the top. Now tap on the next button at the bottom. Then tap on share. From here, you can send this story to Facebook, add to highlights, or send it to any specific person. If you don't want to do any of this, tap anywhere on the photo at the top, and that's it. This is how you can easily create quiz on Instagram stories.